Hi, good afternoon. This is our final oral test. We are Indra García and Edson Rodríguez. Hi, Edson, how are you?
Hello, Indra. I'm well. To be honest, I'm doing my best, but everything is okay. What about you?
Oh, that's good. I'm excited for the weekend. No more school, summer break is coming, and I'll be traveling around the world.
Oh, Indra, it sounds wonderful and very, very cool. What places are you gonna visit? I can recommend some places.
Yeah, thanks. I'm going to visit the seven wonders of the natural world. But I'm not sure about which is the most amazing one. I guess you know them, isn't it?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Obviously, I know them, and I've heard about it, and I've just visited just one, the Grand Canyon, that is in the USA, state of Arizona, and it was when I was around 15 years old.
Good choice. The seven wonders of the natural world are considered the best landscape on the earth, at least for the experts. What I love about them is that they are all around the world, you know?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And tell me, to make it easier for you, would you like to rank these wonderful places from one to seven, being one the most amazing and seven the less amazing?
Of course, I love the idea. My family is arriving from Monterrey at night, so I think I have a lot of time to analyze it.
Okay, let's start. We have the Mount Everest, Paricutin Volcano, the Grand Canyon, Rio de Janeiro Harbor, the Great Barrier Reef, Zambezi River, and the Northern Lights. For us, tell me, what is the less amazing? Number seven.
Okay, let me think. I think my seventh place must be the Rio de Janeiro harbor. I'm not saying it isn't great, but I feel more interested in the rest of the places. And also, I'm not sure about what kind of things I could do there. What about you? Which is your number seven?
Yes, yes, my seventh place is the Zambezi River. It isn't my favorite. I feel I won't be able to interact a lot with the environment, and that is an important part of a journey.
Yes, that's true. Well, I was going to choose that one too, but then I remembered that once I read that you can sail along hippos and elephants that are drinking water from the river and stuff. Would you like to do that?
Yes, yes, that sounds awesome. It changed my perspective. And tell me, which is in your sixth place? Because I think mine is the Paricutin volcano. It is more than 300 meters high. And can you imagine it? And it just appeared from nowhere. People used to use it as a cornfield.
Wow, I didn't know that story. Just because of that story, I'll put it in my fifth place because my number six is the Zambezi River. But please, will you mind telling me a little more about that volcano?
Well, well, well. I know that the sky was suddenly covered with ashes and they didn't see the sun for many days. It sounds like something that would happen only in science fiction movies.
Yes, definitely, like the 2012 movie or something like that. Okay, I already told you my fifth place. Can you tell me which one is yours?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That movie was crazy. I guess my fifth place is the Rio de Janeiro harbor because the reasons are is are obviously the view from the height is awesome.
Oh
I'm in
my
love
god.
with that kind of landscapes. And a friend told me that people from there is kind and two great reasons. Tell me, what is your fourth place?
Well, probably just because it is too cold, the Mount Everest. I know that it is in the Himalayas and it is the highest mountain in the world, and I'm very excited. But if I pick the incorrect suit, I will be frozen.
Yeah, yeah, I see your point. It's very cold in the top. I think it's a good experience to climb the Mount Everest, and the view is oof. I know, like it's like a stairway to heaven, and it's on my fourth place too.
Well, right now we are on the top three, and it's gonna be tough. Choose one, because we have three wonderful places, and I'm excited to know your number three. So go ahead, Edson.
Oh yeah, yeah. It's hard. It's hard. It's hard. There are power between the last places, but hmm, I made up my mind. In my third place is the okay, the Great Barrier Reef.
Oh my god, I didn't expect that. Can you tell me why? Please, I want to know your reasons.
Well, it ended up in third place because it's the home of almost 3,000 corals and tropical fishes. I can picture perfectly how colorful it is, and I heard that you can snorkel among them, and it sounds like amazing. It's amazing. And what about you? Which is Which one is in third place for you?
My third place is the Grand Canyon because I feel that if I stare the Grand Canyon, it will be like staring a dinosaur, because both are like huge and very old, and I really like dinosaurs. Well, Edson, we have just two places left. Could you please tell me your second place?
Yes. I never thought that the Grand Canyon like that, but it's okay. It's okay. My second play is the Northern Lights. They are a great visual show. I never watch them, but I just know how they look in pictures. But I hope one day I could see them in person while I'm drinking a cup of chocolate abuelita with a concha de chocolate.
That sounds really nice.
And what about you? Which is in your second place?
In second place is the Great Barrier Reef for the same reasons you said, and it is a shame it is in danger because of all the contamination and global warming. I would like to see it in person before it disappears completely.
Yeah, it sounds sad. So sad. But well, it seems that the only first place remains. Although it's a bit obvious because it's the only one left.
Yeah, but still, I will ask. Will you mind telling me which is your favorite place of all?
Yeah. I think since the beginning was pretty obvious. My first place goes to Grand Canyon. It's a breathtaking landscape. You can look down and don't be able to see the bottom. And I think all those red stones are beautiful for the view.
Yeah, I'm agree about the redstones.
Yeah. And also, I feel connected with the Grand Canyon because, as I said, it's the only place out of the seven I've been I've seen with my own eyes, and I will never be over it. Which one is yours? Can you tell me?
My first place is definitely the Netherlands. I mean, can you imagine it? The sky filled with colored lights and night, and those lights keep changing shape. And in ancient times, actually, they believed that the Netherlands were like dragons coming down from the sky. That's so
Oh
cool.
yeah. That's so awesome, man. That left me speechless. I always thought uh, it must be a wonderful view.
Yes. Oh my God! Look at the time. I think I have to go and finish packing. But thank you so much. This conversation was very helpful.
Oh yeah. You're welcome, and it was my pleasure. Don't worry, and please send me pics from the places you are visiting. Please, I would like to see them.
Yes, of course. I will send you each of them. Bye. See you later.
Okay, bye. Enjoy your trip.
Well, that was everything for our final oral test. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it.